All right, this is Smokin by Boston. This was a request from a while back. This is a great tune. So we're gonna start with this main riff. We got. Okay, so that's our A riff. That's our main riff of the tune. So we have the A bass to the two twos of that A power chord on the D and G strings. We go kind of twice on that. So O twos, O twos, and then hold that one for just a second, hit the twos again, 3 to 4 in the A, down to that 2 in the G. So it's. And it kind of sounds like he chokes that first chord a little bit. Let's try that. That's going to go 7 times, 3, 4. Now the 8th one is just different on the last note. It's like 3 to 4 to open A there. Okay, so the last one is. And then we're in the verse. We're gonna come to this D chord here. We're gonna have. Okay, so we had the 5 and 7. 5 is on the A string. That's a D power chord. Okay, so we got that 9 on the D string, little honky tonk thing. We got. And kind of a chick, so it's dum dee da dum dee da dum dee da. Chick to those 5s on the D and G strings. And we're back to that other riff. So we do 1 of each there, and then we're back into that D. Now here we're gonna go same A riff, and then just A bass to 2s twice. We hit this 3 on the way to the E power chord. 2 E power chords. That's D, D, A. And then E, C, G, D. So this whole thing is E, E, D, D, A, E, E, C, G, D. So then we're gonna do 3 more of that A riff. And then one of the B riffs to the open A there. Then we're in the chorus. We got. So we're bending that 4, pulling off, that's G string, go to the 4 and the D, so A twice, and then here I went to the D. You probably could go to that 4 too if you wanted. We're gonna do 2 D chords after that one, so either way. Or, and then we're gonna have C, C, D, D, and then this riff here. So 2, 4, 2 on the D to that 3 there, 2 A's. So this whole chorus again was. And then we do it again. Now this one's gonna have a little different ending. We're gonna go to that G there. We have that 3 bass, kind of mute the A and hit those 2 opens there. So we're back to our A riff. That was our B riff. Another verse now. We got. Got that A again. Going to the E's. Go to that A, and then we're in the chorus again. So that time we had the 2, 4, 2, 3, A to G to D this time. So you could do it down there. It's a power chord, D. Or you can do it here. Okay, and you see that one where we had the... Sounds good with the D bass or that 4, either one you want. We're going to hold that D for 4 bars, and then we get into a piano solo or organ solo. We're going to have this kind of a riff here, a little rhythm riff. Okay, so it's 7 on the D string with 5 on the G string. Kind of just strum that a bit, listen to it, and it's kind of figure. It kind of changes all the time. It's a little tricky, but you can have kind of a basic thing going and works through it. So, and then I'm gonna go 7s on the 5th and 4th strings and take them down 1, and then. So the second one, you just have you have less chord hits, kind of like 2 of them. Kind of wait a second. You got 5 in the second. Bend up and down on that 7 on the G, pull off to the 5, go to the 7 on the D. So the whole thing is like 3, 4. Here you just do 2 of those riffs. Real quick, one after the other, and then you start over again. Then this last part's gonna go. So hit those 5s after the 7s, 7s, hit the middle string 5s, and then do a trill on that open 2 on the G string. Okay, then we're into a new part. We got, so that's the A riff again. So the second half of this is gonna go kind of 2, 2, 4, A bass there, and then 7s to 5s on the D and G. So it's. Okay, so the third measure there was the same as the first, and then we have a 5s to 7s quick, 5s to opens, kind of slower. So the whole thing is. And we do that 3 times, so I'll do it 2 more times, 3, 4. Now we move on to the last part of this. Same thing. So that one's gonna have the second one going to the A bass, our little B riff we call that. Then we're gonna have so A, and then middle 5s, part of the C chord, and then kind of 3 sets of the 7s, 5s to opens, a little slower. We got an A there. So that last part again was. Hold that A for 4 bars, and then we get into a new thing. We got so A bass. We got dum da dum da 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 dum da. So there's a little triplet in there. So it's like a swing feel thing. Dum da dum da dum da dum. But you got a dum da dum da 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 dum da dum da dum da 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 dum. So 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it actually goes 16 times of that. Then we have some power chords. We got 6, 8, 8 up here, B flat, 5th fret, A, G on the 3rd, A, B flat, and then we go 5, 3, 5. Okay, so that was 6, 5, 3, 5, 6, and then 5, 3, 5, kind of quicker. And then we're gonna go 10 on the A string, 8, 7, 5, 3, 1, and then A chord again. Now here we're gonna have this interesting half diminished chord. So that's 2, 3, 2, 3. And that one holds twice as long as the first chord did. Then we're gonna come to a sus A. 3 on the 2nd string with the A chord to regular A major. Okay, so that was A, hold for a while, and then B half diminished or minor 7 flat 5, hold that twice as long, and then you're back to A but with that 3 in there, the sus. Back to the A. We have a new riff, we're gonna go 17s on the 2 middle strings. So we had 17 sliding down, and then we had the A power chord. Kind of has like, kind of doing an A in between some of these. So we got 5, 4, 2, 4. Okay, you can kind of do them as single things, or kind of as a chord too. Okay, then we're gonna go 2 sets of 7s and then 2 sets of triplets there. So, and then we're back to a verse type thing in this D. Hit those 5s there for that C chord thing, and then we're gonna stop on the A, and he does organ fills. We do this twice. Okay, then we're gonna have our E's again. D, D, A, E, and C, G, D, and we're back to it. Back to a verse. Kind of a double there, and then we're gonna have this, so kind of triplets involved. So we had E, and then D, 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 A, E, and then same here, little triplet on the C's, G to D at the end. Then we have our riff, so we did the riff regular twice, and then we had A, G, A for the ending. Okay, Smokin by Boston. Let's look at that chorus one more time. We got. All right, catch you next time.